All right, good morning, guys. Welcome to day 4 of the quadratic formula. I had to think about that for a second. All right, so remember your quadratic formula is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. All right, we're going to do number 1 and number 8 together. And then you can work on the rest of these problems on your own. Remember, each day you have a questionnaire that counts as your classwork and your attendance. Make sure you fill it out every day. There's 3 simple questions. Did you do your classwork today? Yes or no? Obviously, it should be yes. Did you watch your video today? Yes. Did you check your answers today? Yes. And then it submits and sends to me. Do that every day so I can keep a tally of your attendance and your classwork. All right, so remember, quadratic formula, the equation has to equal 0. Beautiful. So I got x equals negative b. So, sorry, that's a positive b because it's negative 5. Plus or minus square root, always make the first number positive. So 5 squared minus 4 times a, which is 1, c, which is negative 14. All over 2 times 1. Take out my calculator. I got 5 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 14. I get 81. So I get the square root of 81 all over 2. So x equals, I got 5 plus the square root of 81, enter, divided by 2. So I got x equals 7. And then on the next one, 5 minus the square root of 81. Enter, divided by 2. X equals negative 2. All right. Now, number 8. Let's get all the way down to number 8. Okay, a few things about number 8. 1, it's not equal to 0. So I got to add that 10 to both sides. Remember, you can only combine like terms. So I have 2m squared minus 7m minus 3. Negative 13 plus 10 is negative 3. All right. M equals negative b, so positive 7 plus or minus b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a. Calculator. Actually, leave the calculator there for the rest of the problem. 7 squared minus 4 times 2 times negative 3. And I get 73. So 7 plus or minus the square root of 73 over 4. All right. So I do 7 plus the square root of 73. Enter. Divided by 4. 3.87. Round these to the nearest hundredth. All right, don't worry about simplest radical form or anything like that. If it's a whole number, work with it. If it's not a whole number, then just round to the nearest hundredth. Sorry. So then I do 7 minus the square root of 73. Enter. Divided by 4. And I get negative m equals negative 0.39. All right, so those are 2 examples. Finish the rest of this front and back now. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me at robert.mcconi@riverhead.net. And please make sure you do that questionnaire. You do have a quiz on Thursday. Again, it'll be a CAS Learning multiple choice quiz, probably more than 5 this time. I'm probably going to go up to 10, but it'll be a 10-minute quiz. 10-question quiz. And that will take you to our Easter break. We do have off on Friday, and we'll come back on Monday. All right, if you have any questions, please, again, email me at robert.mcconi@riverhead.net, or you can do robert.mcconi@g.riverhead.net. Have a good day, and fill out that questionnaire. Talk to you tomorrow.